What's up, y'all? You can see me back out here in the garage again. About to do is just some quick chain maintenance, clean it up. I really need tighten, but that's about to get replaced here Thursday and go to my dude's shop. And we're gonna put the new chain sprockets, the new lightweight rotor, freshen all of that up. It should need to be clean. You see it's nice out today, so we out here in the garage. I need to go get some more engine ice so I can eventually flush my coolant after I get the Samco hoses, because I'm gonna change all of that out too. So I ain't gonna do an engine flush just yet, but as you can see, still got the Brock's alien head off. Will be listed for sale after the new joint comes in. Not going to reveal what it is just yet, but like I said, probably let it go for about, I don't know, 400. Because like I said, they still like, for just the slip on, 960 and some change. So as you can see, we straight like right now. I'm about to go ahead and crank that up for you. My tuner is going to do the the MR12 tune for me. Probably get that done after I get all the rest of my valves checked and all of that. It's about to go down in spring and summertime.